pelvic girdles. This one, see how narrow it is? That's the male. Now granted the coccyx broke off of here, but it'd still be very wide. See how much wider it is. And this is the female. Okay. Pubic symphysis, obturator foramen. Right here. Acetabulum, ischium with the C, pubis, close to the pubic symphysis. Ilium, iliac crest. In the back, the sacrum connects the two. In the front, the pubic symphysis connects the two. Okay? While we're here, these two vertebrae have an intervertebral disc between the two. Okay? This is os coxa, or coxal bone, obturator foramen, pointy pubis in the front, ischium, C, don't forget to put the C in it, ilium on top, and then iliac crest, acetabulum, obturator foramen, just one more time. And when I put it on me, you can see that it's a left. I put this on me, pointy part in the front, you can see that this is a right. So it looks like this. Okay? The other thing is, here's the number 3, or you can do it this way, right? Greater sciatic notch, lesser sciatic notch. Greater, lesser. The vertebrae, intervertebral disc, moose, lumbar vertebra. Giraffe, one hole, thoracic vertebra. Anything with 3, I know this looks like a giraffe, but this has 3 vertebrae, so remember, this is cervical. This is cervical, 3, I'm sorry, did I say vertebrae? 3 holes. 3 holes. And then 3 holes, that's cervical. So these are all cervical. So, spinous process is the nose. Should be pointing down. Okay? And centrum or body, vertebral foramen. Okay, so I'll leave this up here. Transverse process, transverse, straight out. Superior articular process, don't write facet, right? Superior articular process, and inferior articular process, down here. Okay? And the 2 holes on the side, for the cervical vertebrae only, transverse foramen. This is C1, atlas, C2, axis. Atlas has this space right here. Axis has this thing that looks like a y-axis sticking up, known as dens, D-E-N-S. Hand. Distal phalanges, or phalanx for one, middle phalanx, proximal phalanx, metacarpals. But on the thumb it's different. Distal phalanx, no middle, proximal phalanx, metacarpal. Start here with the S. 1, 2, 3, 4, come back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, 3, pisiform, ow, piss me off. Come back here. Trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. Okay? For the foot, distal phalanx, middle phalanx, no middle phalanx for the big toe, proximal phalanx. I'm sorry. Distal phalanx, middle phalanx, proximal phalanx. Remember proximal here. Metatarsals. Now for the foot, calcaneus, tallest one, talus. Then look from the front. Navicular, narrow, and then you have 3 cuneiforms, all around the same size. Cuneiform, medial cuneiform on the big toe, intermediate cuneiform, lateral cuneiform, and this big one here, cuboid. I think it's it.